Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quiz Game. Today, we're taking you on an adventure around the world with a fun challenge. Can you guess the sound of each country's iconic animal? Let's get started. Known for their black and white fur, pandas mainly eat bamboo and are native to the mountains of central China, symbolizing peace. The Bengal tiger, known for its striking orange and black stripes, is India's national animal and symbolizes power and strength. Asian elephants are highly revered in Thailand, symbolizing power and wisdom, and have played an important role in the country's history and culture. Alright, let's move on to the next animal sound. The Indian rhinoceros, also known as the one-horned rhino, is native to Nepal's grasslands, known for its thick, armor-like skin. Brown bears are strong and powerful, living in Russia's forests and mountains, symbolizing courage and resilience in Russian folklore. The robin, with its red breast, is a familiar and beloved bird in the UK, often associated with Christmas and seen as a symbol of hope. That was tricky, wasn't it? Let's see if the next one is easier. Get ready for the next sound. The fennec fox, with its large ears and sandy coat, is adapted to the Sahara's desert climate, representing Algeria's unique wildlife. Dromedary camels, with one hump, are essential to Saudi Arabia's desert life, used for transport and adapted to surviving extreme heat. The golden eagle, a powerful bird of prey, is a symbol of Kazakhstan's freedom and strength, revered in local traditions and history. Great job if you got that one right. Now here's another sound for you to guess. This animal is known for its distinct call. The bald eagle, known for its white head and fierce demeanor, represents freedom and strength as the national symbol of the United States. Beavers are known for their dam-building skills and are symbolic of Canada's industrious spirit and connection to nature and water systems. The American bison, native to North America's plains, represents resilience and the rich cultural heritage of Indigenous peoples in Canada. Here comes the next sound this time. It's from an animal that's a symbol of resilience in its country. Can you figure it out? The raven is Bhutan's national bird, representing protection and wisdom, and is associated with the country's spiritual traditions and royal symbolism. The gemsbok, or South African oryx, is a desert-adapted antelope known for its long, straight horns and represents strength in Namibia's arid landscapes. We're almost done, but we've still got a few more animals to challenge your ears. Let's keep going. Kangaroos, known for their powerful legs and hopping movement, are a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife and are featured on the country's coat of arms. The kiwi bird is a flightless bird native to New Zealand, symbolizing the country's natural heritage and giving its people the nickname Kiwis. Time for the final round. Give it your best shot and let's see if you can guess this last one. Polar bears live in the Arctic region of Russia, known for their powerful build and thick fur, symbolizing resilience in harsh, cold environments. That's it for today's Guess the Animal Sound Challenge. How many did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you had fun playing. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next challenge.